Do you want to become a UGC creator on Roblox and be able to create and release your own hats? If you do, stick around and I'll show you guys exactly how you can do it. The first step to becoming a UGC creator on Roblox is knowing how to use a modeling software. The most common software that is used is something called Blender. There's thousands of tutorials on YouTube of how to use it, and once you get the hang of it, it's not too complicated. If you're looking for some good tutorials, I highly recommend ROBLOX. His tutorials are quick and easy to understand, and they'll have you knowing Blender in no time. And as with anything, practice makes perfect, so if you keep working at it, you'll eventually become a master. This leads us right to our next step, building your portfolio. Now, some of you are probably sitting here wondering what a portfolio is. A portfolio is basically like a job resume for Roblox. It holds all of your previous work and things you've done and showcases it either to other developers or to people hiring developers. If you go to create in the top bar, go to talent, and then click your Roblox name, it'll show up with edit creator page. This is what you want to click on. It'll bring you to your creator page, and if you're new, this will all be blank, and what you want to fill out is your bio, different skills you have, maybe links to your YouTube, Twitter, Roblox account, previous work history with examples, and lastly, you want to verify your account so you get this check mark next to your name. Once this is done, we can then get to our last step, which is applying to the UGC program. You can access the application form through this depth form post, which will be linked in the description. When you're ready, you can scroll down and click this link. It'll bring you to the starting page of the application form, and when you're done reading it, you just have to go ahead and put in your date of birth. On the next page, it just goes over some basic information such as your first and last name, your email address, Roblox username, which country are you located in, Twitter handle, and how did you hear about this application. You want to make sure that you fill these all out very accurately. The next page is fairly straightforward, so I'm just going to go to the last page. On the last page is where you'll insert all of your previous work history and UGC concepts that you've created. In this box is where you'll insert an OBJ file of a UGC accessory that you've made. It could be a hat, back accessory, face accessory, anything that you've made and test it out in studio, you include here. In this box, it's a documentation of you creating the item. So at least 75% of your creation process goes into here. It could be a video, multiple screenshots of you texturing or modeling it, and it goes all in here. These last two steps will involve the portfolio we made before. So you're gonna take a screenshot of that Talent Hub portfolio and put it in here, and then you're gonna get the link to it and put it in this box. And then you can leave any final notes that you want them to see in this box. Anyways, that's how you become a UGC creator in under 3 minutes. If you guys have any feedback or questions on the video, leave them in the comments below. I have a Discord server that you guys can join. Make sure you subscribe, like the video. It really helps out the channel. And as always, I will see you guys in the next one.